Okay, ready. Action. So today, welcome to the Life Regenerator Daily Video Show. Today we are here with Joaquin and aka Jaja, and we are going to make a juice recipe for kids. So this is Jaja's first time making juice. So
At home.
what we at home, right? He made juice once at Grandma's.
Yep.
Okay, today we're making a very fresh fruit juice, which is 4 oranges and 4 apples. Okay, so turn the juicer on, which is over here, buddy. Look, turn the juicer on right here. Come to that little, push that little button.
But what are you doing?
This one, this way. There you go. Now that's on. Now you take this
I know.
and put an apple in. And push it down. There you go. Now put another one and just keep it going. Boom, boom, boom. Fresh. Just push it down once. Now take another one. See, it's already coming out of there. Look at that. Just push it straight down. There you go. Just like that. That's all you need, buddy.
A big one now.
Nice. Fresh juice.
Oh, God.
So, FYI, the fresh food, what we like to term or call raw or living food, fresh food, food that is alive, gives you energy. And the food that is not alive takes energy away from you. So, to the best of your ability, with your finances and your environmental concerns, you would do well to have as much fresh, raw, living foods as you possibly can. What's that?
No, not the car.
Oh yeah, put the core in too.
Okay.
Yeah, always put the core in. Push, yeah, just push it straight down. Just hold it, push, yeah. There you go. That's how it's done, baby. Just like
Yeah, but
that.
what about the seeds?
What about them?
Are you gonna eat the seeds?
No, the seeds and the pulp all come out here. It's just pure juice. Living juice.
Living years.
Yes, living, structured, anti-gravitational water that is electrically charged, okay? That sounds like something you, as a human being who also is a water-based electrical being, would want to consume.
I accidentally did it to my way.
Keep going.
I'm gonna put this card now. Card.
You're doing a really good job, buddy. And so that's pretty much it. I mean, these fresh juices are a lot
I kind of put the
better.
orange there.
Put the oranges in too. These fresh juices are way better than the ones that are processed and cooked and pasteurized. Because the enzymes and the vitamins and the minerals create a synergistic absorbability. Whereas when it's just pure sugar water and destructured, it tends to just be more like dead calories instead of actual electrical energy for the human organism and the human bloodstream. Jaja's favorite snack is what? What's your favorite snack?
Juice. Yes. My
What's your favorite snack?
Juice.
Juice now? All of a sudden? Okay, this is a new thing. I just found out about this right now along with you. But really, what's your favorite snack?
Chocolate bars.
What is it?
Chocolate bars.
Kashi balls?
No, chocolate bars.
I don't.
Chocolate bars.
Chocolate
And bars.
and what else?
And bar. A bar.
Is it in the house?
Yes.
I don't know what that is. Is it cereal?
No. It's a chocolate bar. Chocolate.
I'll have to ask your mom what that means.
Look at all of that.
Yeah, put some more of this in. Remember, because if you put the citrus in, it'll actually keep the apples from oxidizing as rapidly. Citrus always keeps the juices from oxidizing. And these slow juicers are better than the fast centrifugal juicers. Keep going. You only need to push it down once and the juicer will pull it down and just put it in. And some, like, look, watch this. Some of these, you don't even need to push. It'll just go down by itself. That one's a little bit bigger, so here. Push it. There you go. Good job. And put this in now too. You know, I talk to everybody every day do consults. If you do anything, if you can do anything, some fresh juice every day is an amazing supplement to your lifestyle, you know, whatever it is.
Bye.
I understand if it's freezing cold or whatever, you may want to miss that, but I mean, even when it's cold, I still drink juice every day. You know, you gotta have a couple layers on, or you gotta have the heat on in the house or whatever.
Is it okay to put in?
Yes, it is. Go for it. You know, or you can even just drink your fresh juice while you're in a warm bath, you know. Because I understand, like, if you make cold juice and you pull it out of the fridge and it's cold outside, it'll cool you from the inside up, which is a good thing. Keep going, bud.
I don't need it.
Yep, some of them you do. Depends, like, let's see if this, watch this one. It'll just go right in. See, hold on, let's see. Is it gonna go? No, see, it'll sit there with the peel, but anyway.
I actually put it in there, but whatever.
You're doing really good. This is a great job that you're doing.
Look at all that in there.
Yeah, that's a lot of pulp. That's all the fiber, which is actually good too, but juicing is just a liquid, vitamin, mineral, and living water concentrated supplement to your diet. Fresh fruit and vegetable juices, especially in today's modern world where we're burning up nutrients faster than we can take them in because the food is really depleted across the board in every way, and our lifestyle has accelerated to the point where the stress and the activity.
I need to put some in the cup.
Let's keep going. I think we can get this whole thing. I think we can get this whole thing.
I need to take my.
I think he had to go to the bathroom. That's what it appeared on the way that way. Anyhow, yeah, not my normal pace of video, but anyhow, we just wanted to, you know, mix it up a little bit, get Jaja involved. He's got a YouTube channel. I'm just gonna have him introduce it. And we'll link that down below. He's a little YouTuber. There we go. That's so we filled that up. Now we have our Grinch glasses. So basically, for anyone, anywhere, anytime, fresh juice, you cannot go wrong. You know. And yes, I've done millions of consults, and so some people, they need a little lower on the sugar. Some people can handle more. You know, personally, I like to live in a way where I can handle any amount of carbs, any amount of protein, any amount of fat, any amount of juice.
You did
all done. Now you turn the juicer off on the other side. Turn it off over there. There you go. And now we're going to go like this, and we are right at the cusp. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's get your, is this your cup? Which one's yours?
This one. The one that's put on.
This is really good. So you want the Grinch.
Yes. Oh, no.
You want your supplements
That
first?
tastes so good.
You want your supplements first or after your juice? Juice first?
Yeah.
His mom blasts him with probiotics every day. How is it?
It's amazing.
You really like it?
It's amazing. Oh my god. It's still going out. What's more soft than I like it, but like.
I agree with you. That is really good. So how does your mom do it? She just pops them open?
Just pops them open.
Like this? And you open back? You know how to do it. There we go. Nice. And that's how they take. Now you're not a huge fan of the chlorella, right? No, but your sister is. Okay, stand up. Let's blast another one. Stand up. There we go. So they can see that how you're getting blasted. Cool.
We'll get some juice.
One more. One more blaster. She would explain better
Hello.
how these work for them. She swears it keeps them regular, if you know what I mean. Anyways,
Look at all the stuff I got
she
on the
didn't want
counter.
to join us on the video
Look at all the stuff-
today,
look at all
but
the stuff I
we
got on the
we're
counter.
pretty good. So we'll just clean that up. It's always part of the game. It's always part of the game to make a little bit of mess. Just clean it up. One great way that what I like to do is just put down a towel. When I live in wherever I live, if I ever have a place to live, I just lay a towel out. And that way, you know, turmeric,
Well, there you
beets,
go.
carrots, whatever gets on the counter, you just take the towel and you toss it in the wash, you know, and you use the towel for a week or 2 or 3, and then finally, once it just gets so much junk and crap on there, you just toss it in the wash. Not bad though, right, buddy? Cheers to your good health.
It's yummy. But so much fizz in it. Lots of fizzy.
Not too bad. We should have. We forgot to give some to Sissy. Did you want some, Sissy? Let's give Sissy a little shot. Come get a little shot, baby. Let me just give you. I just slammed all mine.
That's yours?
Mine is gone. Here you go,
Yeah.
sweetie.
Juice.
You're welcome. Juice.
We
Do
made
you like it?
Look all the tough.
Do you blast
We
these
made
too?
it. Look all the tough. No.
This is only for Jaja?
But that's one.
She doesn't take these ones?
She does.
Oh, same way you do?
I took it up. We made this juice.
Well, you made it.
Look,
You made it,
I
Jaja.
made the juice.
You want to blast one
I
of these
made that
blasters?
juice. You're drinking the juice I'm making. You drink the juice I
Open
made.
up your blaster.
You
Nice.
drink the juice I made.
Yum.
You are drinking the juice I made.
Pretty smart by you.
I
Pure
made
diamond.
that. Sissy, I made this.
What is it?
Probiotics.
Ah, your grandpa's probably a genius or something. So you got your juice. You got your juice. We got the juice, baby.
Sissy, I made that. I made that, Sissy. I made that. Let's make some more.
Okay, well, next time we're going to make a green juice, swamp water, and we're going to choke it down, soldier. We start with the fruit juice, we work our way to the greens, you know what I'm saying? And slowly through time, we generate a healthy gastrointestinal tract. And, you know, over time, your body gets used to it. Just, you got to work slowly into all this. You know, you just go one step at a time. Basically, you work on one bad habit at a time until there's no more bad stuff and there's only good stuff. And it can take a lifetime. So, but the day to start is today. I hope you enjoyed that video. I enjoyed making it for you.
See you later. Wait.
Come on over here, dude. Over here, buddy.
See you later.
Okay, I guess that's good enough. Well, we will see you later, and we do thank you for your time and attention today. And we will see you tomorrow on the next video, on the daily Life
See you,
Regenerative
poopy.
daily video show. Okay?
See you, caca. Poopy butt.
Oh my goodness! I don't know who taught you that, but it wasn't me. I'm the innocent angel around here. You guys are the bad. You guys are the bad influence on me. Peace and love, everyone. Peace and love.
Bye bye.